Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a really common headache in Figma, those pesky missing text style libraries. If you've ever opened a design and found that some styles just can't be found, maybe they're grayed out, or Figma is giving you those cryptic warnings, stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to uncover hidden text styles and bring clarity back to your design file. So let's jump right in. Imagine you're working on a big project, maybe it's your team's entire design system, or a client file packed with layers, components, and styles. Over time, as files get edited and shifted around, sometimes certain text styles go missing, or you lose track of where they're applied. It can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, Figma has some helpful ways to bring those hidden styles into the light. First, I want you to open up your Figma file, the one where you suspect there are missing or hidden text styles. You'll probably see lots of layers, groups, and maybe a whole bunch of styles defined in the menu on the right. It might look a little overwhelming if there are dozens or even hundreds of elements. This is super common, especially in files that have been touched by multiple people. If you're not sure exactly where to look first, you're not alone. Here, where the magic happens. We're going to use a really handy plugin that helps you track down hidden and missing styles with just a couple of clicks. Down at the bottom center of your Figma window, you'll see the Resources icon. This is your gateway to plugins and widgets. Go ahead and click on that. A window will pop up and you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Style Finder. It's a free lightweight plugin that's honestly been a lifesaver for situations just like this. Once you find Style Finder in the list, just click to install or run it within your file. The plugin interface is pretty straightforward, but let me walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. You'll see two main options: color and text. Since we're focused on missing text styles today, select the text option. This is telling the plugin, hey, show me all the text styles that are being used, including ones that might be hiding somewhere in my file. Now take a deep breath. This part might take a couple of moments, especially if your file is really large. Style Finder will do a quick scan and show you a list of all text styles currently in use. And here's the cool part: if you've got a missing or hidden text style in your file, the plugin will highlight it. Sometimes a style is hidden on a stray layer or inside a nested component you'd never think to check. The plugin takes away all the guesswork. Let's say, for example, that you see a style listed that's highlighted as missing or unlinked. All you need to do is click on that entry in Style Finder, and Figma will automatically select the exact layer or element where that style is being used. It's like using a spotlight to find something in a dark room. You can click through each one and decide if you want to update, delete, or relink the style as needed. Don't worry if you find more hidden elements than you expected. This is actually a great opportunity to clean up your file and make sure your styles are consistent throughout your project. It can take a bit of patience the first time, but it pays off massively in clarity and team collaboration down the road. And that's it. By using the Style Finder plugin, you can easily track down and resolve missing text style libraries in Figma, no matter how complex your design gets. If this helped you out, drop a like, and if you run into any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Figma tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.